Welcome traders to this educational video of Nifty Analysis, episode number 16. In my last educational video, I think Nifty was around 12,200 and I had mentioned that it has little bit of a space left on the upside, and if Nifty manages to rally near 12,250 or 12,300, we will look to book profits, and then we'll possibly come out of the market and wait at the sidelines and wait for the next price action of the market and see what happens later on. So exactly, if you can see, market did test the level of 12,290 somewhere like that on 20th of December, and then it started correcting. Yesterday's low was around 12,122. So we saw a correction somewhere from 12,290 to 12,122, which was a short-term correction. And it was probable that this correction could have come down till 12,050, because we can see that Nifty is nicely respecting the resistance of this particular trend line and the supports of this particular trend line. All right. But now what has happened, today's move, suddenly it has taken everyone with a surprise, and we saw a gap up, and after a gap up, market just did not remain there. It kept on rallying with a very good amount of momentum. Now what we can see is, yes, certainly the short-term trend has changed. The short-term trend couple of days back had just slightly turned down, and now the short-term trend seems to be on the upside. But that's not just enough to understand that we will be making money or not in the market, because we need to understand that how much room is left on the upside. No issues about the moving averages. We can see that the moving averages is below the price. Even the RSI is going up nicely. But still, we need to understand where we need to book profits and come out, because short-term trading is all about knowing your levels very, very nicely. So currently we can see Nifty has closed at 12,245, and we still have space of at least 100 points on the upside, which is around 12,340. This is the immediate resistance which will be hitting in Nifty spot. If we manage to clear out this particular resistance, we could slightly head higher towards possibly 12,360. If market takes time, if market goes up in a single day, or maybe in possibly just 2 days, we could hit 12,350 or 12,340, and then traders need to start booking their profits. But if this entire process take at least 3 to 4 days, then we can also see max around 12,400 levels. But somewhere between 12,340 and 12,400 levels, I'm talking about short-term traders, they should look to book profits for sure. All right, because we can see that the range of Nifty is now getting smaller and smaller day by day, and it is not going to be easier for traders to make money until and unless we break this range, either on the downside or either on the upside. So we need to understand this. We still have around 100 to 150 points max on the upside, and we need to start booking profits as soon as this level is hit. So that's all from my side today. In my next video, I'll try to share something even more interesting. Till then, trade well.